Hi Dresser Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw Jennie from BlackPink's Pink Venom music video. So let's get started. To draw cute Jennie, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And come right next to it, say about right here, and draw another circle. So now I have my circles in, let's make them draw a cute eye. So 2 small circles inside for highlights, and a curved line at the bottom, and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. So now that we have the eyes in, let's come to the sides right here. We're going to spruce them up with some lashes. I'm just going to draw in maybe just 2 lashes. One super long one and a shorter one there. Now let's come above the eye, so say about right here, and we're just going to draw a soft curve over the eye. And same thing on the other side. Soft curve. Then let's give her a sweet smile, of course, and between the eyes, say about right here. Just going to go ahead and draw a curve that slightly goes upwards and cap it off. Then from there, let's go ahead and frame her face. So I'm going to come back to the top of her eye, about right here, really close to the lashes. I'm just going to give myself a point right here. And we're going to start to draw the bottom of a U. And I'm going to aim towards the center. So from the center, say about right here. Just going to give myself a point. Since I'm drawing pretty big, this just helps me know where I'm going. And I'm going to bring it down to that point, and then same thing on this side. So definitely turn your body or the paper, whatever you need to help you draw this big curve. Okay, so then now from there, we can go ahead and we're just imagining this oval. So let's say about right here. I'm just going to give myself a point right in the center, and I'm going to start to go up. We're going to draw this strand of hair that comes down, and we're just going to hit where we started. So let's just hit this area first and just bring it out. And same thing over here. So just going to go up and then just bring it down a strand to the side for now. So about right there. Okay, then let's thicken up this strand. So let's go over here and go up. And go ahead and just thicken that strand up. So same thing here. So let's bring this one down to say about right here. Just try and give her hair some movement. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's come back into this area and we're just going to draw a soft curve right here for her hairline. There. So now that we have that, let's come back to the center and we're going to part her hair. So let's go up right in the center and about right here. Give myself a point, and this is where we're going to go up and up. So she has these 2 really cute braids that she has in her hair. So let's see here. Let's draw her hair later. Let's work on her body first. Now that we kind of know this is the area we're going to put, but I want to draw her body because her braids are a little bit complicated. So let's come back to the center, right about here and here. Give her a little neck, and then we're just going to curve out for some shoulders. And same thing here. There. Okay, so then now that we have our shoulders, let's kind of imagine like where her armpit area would be, say here and here, just for now. And let's see here, let's come back to this top We're going to give her a little collar because she's wearing this kind of tank top, and then we're just going to come right here and curve. And curve. Create the top of her tank top. And then, let's see here, let's come to this top part right here, and we're going to come to the center to draw her bodice. And in the center right here is this beautiful little rose. So I'm just going to make it a circle for now, just to simplify it. And then we're going to go up. There. So let's come in here, and I'm just going to twirl a shape so we know it's a rose. And let's bring this down. So we're going to create this bodice that comes in, curve a little bit, and then come in and connect. There, right into the center. And then let's come down right here, and we're just going to draw an angle line out. And let's see here. Look at my camera, make sure. Bring this one down a little bit more. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's come to about right here. Now that we're pretty even, I'm going to go ahead and connect with a curve. So this is where her shorts are going to start. And let's bring this out. And bring this out. So before we finish that, let's come back into this area. I'm going to come right here and just draw a curve in here. And a curve, very stylized, right? And then let's come down to the center and say about right here. I'll give myself a little angle line, and this is where her shorts are going to start. Just going to put in two little angles right there. And let's bring this out, and then just go ahead and connect for her short shorts. So same thing here. And connect. Okay, so let's keep going down. And then now that we have this area, let's go ahead and come back in here. And we're going to put in her legs. So her thigh to about right here and here. And then we're going to cut them off because she's wearing these awesome boots. About right there. And let's keep going. Okay, so now I'm going to need to draw this huge angle. So let's bring this down. These boots are pretty thick, so let's work on this side first. Keep bringing it down to say about right there. And then I'm going to go ahead and flare it out. And connect at the bottom right here. And same thing over here. And then start to flare it out just like the other side and connect it. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's draw in some details. Right here, there's like a white trim on these boots, and I believe the bottom is probably white. So I'm just going to draw a little sole area right here, if I'm correct. And then there's some kind of logo here, but I'm just going to put a heart on both sides to make it my drawsuit cute. Boots, right? Okay, and then from there, let's see here, I'm going to add some details on her shorts. I'm just going to lightly draw a little trim, a little straight line in the center, just to give it some details. Same thing here as well. Very lightly. Even here. Or you can draw this when you're coloring, like a darker blue. I just wanted to show you, you can draw these lines to give everything some dimension. There. Okay, so then from there let's go and draw her arms. So this side I'm going to have it bent and have her hands right here on her hips. So let's come back right here, draw angle, and then we're going to angle it down to about right here and then flare it out. So let's thicken the arms. Let's come right about here, elbow, come in, and then we're going to angle her hands and then a little finger right there. So on this side, let's just have it come out. And so let's say about right here. Let's see. Bring this down to about let's say right there, fingers and in. You add a little finger here at the bottom. Actually, you know what? I think I went too high, right? Okay, I'm gonna have to erase that, but let's just bring this down more. Now that I'm looking at my camera, I'm sorry. It wouldn't make sense for the other hand, so let's bring this down a little bit more. There. Okay, so now it's a little bit more even. Okay, so then from there, let's go ahead and finish the hair. Oops. Okay, so let's work on the braid first. We're going to come back right here, and then we're going to come out to about here. And then as we come to this area, we're going to start to draw a bunch of curves. But before I finish that, I'm going to stop right here and just give her this little bow, these cute little red bows that she has in her hair. And then continue. So it's going to continue about right here. So I'm just going to very quickly, it's just an easy way to make it look like braid without even going to too much detail. So I'm going to bring this all the way down. To say about right there, and then I'll stop. Cut it off, and then just add a little strand of hair. There. Okay, so then same thing on this side. Let's go ahead and do the same thing. But before we finish, I'm going to stop right here and put in another little bow. Just so we can add some red to her hair. And then once again, let's go ahead and we're doing the same thing. Just draw these braids that comes all the way down. And about right here, I'll put in another little bow. And continue again. And just imagine her hand is going to stop about right here, like the other side, little strand, and then once again, hair. Okay, we're almost there. So then now let's bring this curve, and then we're just going to kind of tuck it in here so that we don't have to draw too many details. And then we're just going to bring it out to about here. Maybe about here, you can add a little strand. And then we're just going to go ahead and tuck it in. So same thing on this side. Just going to go above the little braid a little bit. And about right here, you can add a little strand if you like. And then once again, bring in. And just imagine it about right here. And I'll just add a curve right there just to finish it off. And let's see here. Other than my boo-boo right here, that is pretty much it for my version of Jennie here from BlackPink's Pink Venom music video. I really hope you love how she turned out, just like the other two that I've drawn so far. I believe it's Rose and Lisa. If you love them, please, if you love BlackPink, please check them out as well. Thanks so much for watching, and Hope I really helped you draw this fun and easy today and that I didn't overcomplicate it. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw Secure